Have you ever heard the saying, work smarter, not harder? I bet you have. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about some cleaning tricks, to cut that cleaning time in half. So you're going to clean twice as fast in the same time. Let's get into it. For some people, cleaning is therapeutic. Whenever they're cleaning, they turn their music on and they just zone out and they just do what they have to do. While for some other people, it is challenging and stressful. So this video is literally for those people who find it challenging and stressful, or even if you're one of those people who zone out and just like to clean and it's just therapeutic for you, but still work smarter, not harder. Yeah, so this video is gonna be helpful. So whenever you're about to clean, before you do any cleaning, make sure that you spray down the surface that you're about to clean with a all-purpose cleaner. Whether it's your DIY cleaner or if it's a store-bought cleaner, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that you spray down your place wherever you're gonna clean with a all-purpose cleaner. Let it sit for a couple minutes and then you go in and you scrub. It's just gonna cut your work in half. So instead of you just going right at it and be scrubbing, when you let it sit for a couple minutes and you go back, it's gonna loosen up all the dirt, all the grime, and then it's just easy for you, just like bam, 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 you're done. Whenever you're cleaning, use an old toothbrush for hard to reach places. All the little creases, the little corners, the little nook and crannies. Yes, use an old toothbrush. And just as I mentioned in the previous tip, when you spray down your surface with your all-purpose cleaner, the toothbrush is gonna go in the little corners, the little creases, and it's just gonna like clean it up real fast, as opposed to you using a regular cleaning sponge or a cleaning rag or whatever you use to clean, and they're trying to get in there. The toothbrush just get the job done so much faster. Like you're heating up your food in the microwave, right? And it's like it's starting to pop, like pop, 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 and food get all over in your microwave. Don't worry, I got a trick for you that's gonna clean it up real fast. So you can do one of two things. Either you use a wet sponge, put it in the microwave and run it for a couple minutes, or you can put a glass of water in the microwave and run it for a couple minutes. Either way, it's just gonna build up steam, and when it builds up that steam, it's just gonna loosen up all of the things that are caked on in your microwave from the food that has been popping, right? So after you steam it up, you open your microwave, boom, 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 boom. You wipe it away and you're done. Easy peasy. Whew, this one is a little laundry act, right? But it's also categorized as cleaning because you gotta clean your laundry, right? Yes. So anyways, what you wanna do is stop wasting time pairing socks. Who got time for that? What you want to do is get rid of all your socks, all the colorful socks, get rid of them. Buy a pack of socks that are the same color, same type, same length. So whenever you do laundry, you don't have to waste time trying to pair socks like, oh, where's the pink one? Oh, where's the blue one? Oh, where's the Spider-Man socks? No. All your socks will be the same. You can just put them together, put them in your drawer. You never have to pair socks again or worry about where's my socks, where's the other socks. No, just buy matching socks, a whole pack. One pack for the kids, one pack for yourself, one pack for your hubby. Never pair socks again. This kind of goes hand in hand with the first tip. But whenever you're about to clean your bathroom, this is a housekeeper trick. This is what I learned when I was doing housekeeping back in the day. So close your bathroom door, turn on your hot water, and just let the bathroom steam up, right, before you clean. What this does is, again, it's gonna just loosen up the dirt. Like it's just gonna like lift the dirt to the surface. So if it's your tub you're gonna scrub, or if you have the glass shower, when you steam it up like that, steam up the bathroom, it's just gonna be so much easier and faster to clean, along with you spraying your cleaning product before. Don't forget that. And then with the mirror, it's the same thing. The mirror is gonna be nice and steamy. Boom, you just wipe it away, Voila, your job is done. Quick and easy. That's gonna be like a 5-minute job. you make it steam up, as opposed to you just cleaning it dry. Probably take you a good 10-20 minutes. Yeah, let it steam up. Cut your cleaning time in half. Guys, you have to let me know if this video was helpful. I can do so much more tips. Y'all know and realize that I keep my videos very short, get straight to the point, but of course I always have more tips for you. So if you see a video that you like that is only 5 points and you want to hear more, leave me a comment and I'll definitely make you another one, okay? That being said, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, and I know that this helps someone else out there, so make sure that you share. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Bye guys.